With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
So in this question, we have to find out the cis dichlorohexane from these all structures. Okay, the very first thing you should know about the cis and trans dichloro substance. We have three types of disubstituted structures: 1 2, 1 3, and 1 4. Okay, so these are our cis, and we have a rule actually to find out when we can say it is trans and when we can say it is cis. So say this is trans and this is cis section. So we are gonna check out the rule. So for 1 2 trans, we always have our disubstituted in axial or equatorial base. For cis, we have equatorial and axial, and for 1 3 we have axial equatorial or equatorial axial, and here also axial or equatorial. Okay, so here axial or equatorial, and here for 1 4 we have axial and equatorial or equatorial axial or axial equatorial. Okay, got my point? So now the second thing we should know about the positions, which positions on cyclohexane ring is equatorial and axial. So this is our structure of cyclohexane, and I'm gonna draw axial with green part, axial, this one axial, this one also axial. Okay, and I'm gonna draw equatorial with blue part. This one equatorial, this one equatorial, this equatorial, this equatorial, this one is equatorial, this one is equatorial. We have one more axial point, this is axial. Okay, so now with the help of these two things, one table and one diagram, you have to distinguish we have to distinguish which one is trans and which one is cis from these all 8 given. Okay, so now the first thing we have to do is we have to check which structure it is. Okay, 1 4, 1 2, and 1 3. How will we do that? See, 1 2 3 and 4. This is 1 4 dichloro structure. Okay, so for 1 chloro, now 1 4, I'm gonna draw it over here. Okay, this is here and this one is here. Okay, so for 1 4 we have this structure is axial and this is equatorial. Okay, and this is axial and this is equatorial. So 1 4 we have equatorial and equatorial. Okay, so for 1 4 equatorial, we can see over here we have trans. We don't have cis, we call it as trans. So this structure is not our cis structure. Okay, now coming to the point second, we have this structure. Okay, let's calculate the which structure it is. See, 1 2, this is 1 2 dichloro. Okay, so 1 2 dichloro, it is positioned over here, one chloro and second chloro. So this one we know it is axial and this one equatorial, this one equatorial and this is axial. So 1 2 equatorial, 1 2 equatorial. So we called it as trans. Again, it is not cis. So this structure is not cis. Okay, so now coming to the third structure, to number 1 2 1 2 dichloro again. So if we draw this 1 2 structure, so this one is this and this chlorine. Okay, so this is 1 2 chlorine, and here we have our, see, this was axial and this is equatorial, this is axial and this is equatorial. So we have here axial equatorial in 1 2, axial 1 2, axial equatorial. So yes, this is a cis structure. Okay, so we can mark this third, yes, this is cis. Okay, now coming to the question number 4th, we have here 1 2 3 and 4. We have 1 4 dichloro. So for 1 4 dichloro, let me draw the diagram again. For 1 4, Okay, so for 1,4 we know that the cis and trans will be marked as this is equatorial and this one is axial, this one is axial and this is equatorial. Okay, 1,4 equatorial equatorial, 1,4 equatorial equatorial, it is trans, it is not cis. Okay, so this 1/4 is also not cis. Now coming to the question number 5th, we have 1, 2 and 3. We have 1-3 system. Okay, so how we are going to draw, this is our 1-3 system and one chlorine over here and another chlorine over here. Okay, so to see the cis trans again, we need, this one is equatorial, this is axial and this is axial, this is equatorial. Okay, so 1-3 axial axial, 1-3 axial axial, 1-3 axial axial, it is cis. So yes, this part is cis. Okay, so now coming to the next part, this is we have 6, 1, 2, 3. We have again 3, 1-3 1-3 dichloro. Okay, so this is chlorine and chlorine. Here we can see comparison to this, these both are axial and axial. 1-3 axial and axial again, so therefore this is cis. So this structure is cis again. Okay, now coming to the 7th part. 7th part, what structure do we have? 1, 2, 3. Again 1-3. So I'm going to draw it over here. 1-3. Okay, this third here and this third here. We know that this is axial and this one is axial and this is equatorial, this is equatorial. Okay, so this is 1-3 equatorial equatorial. So 1-3 equatorial equatorial, this comes under the category of cis. So this is also cis. Now coming to the last part, this is 1-2 disubstituted. Okay, so 1-2 disubstituted, 1-2 disubstituted, we have it over here, one this and one this. Okay, so here we can see clearly that this one is equatorial, its axial is here, and this one is axial, its equatorial is here. So this is 1-2 equatorial axial. So we have over, you can see here table, 1-2 equatorial axial, we have cis. Okay, so we have 8th also cis. So what are our answer? How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Five structures are of cis dichlorocyclohexane. This was the answer, guys. I hope you understand. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.